Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Desi chicken at home. We'll go through a simple, step-by-step guide to create an authentic and flavorful meal that your family will love. You'll learn about selecting the right ingredients, preparing your spices, and mastering the cooking process. Get ready to impress everyone with this classic dish, perfect for any occasion. It's easier than you think to bring these amazing flavors to your kitchen. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of bone-in chicken pieces for the best texture and flavor. Finely chop 3 large onions and 2 medium tomatoes. These form the base of our rich gravy. Don't forget 1 tablespoon each of fresh ginger and garlic paste. For spices, have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala ready. These precise measurements ensure a perfectly balanced taste. Now let's start cooking. Heat about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or karahi over medium heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. Next, stir in the ginger and garlic paste, cooking for just 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Then, add the chicken pieces and all your powdered spices, cooking for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken changes color. Finally, it's time to bring all those flavors together. Add 1 cup of water to the pot, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let the chicken simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's perfectly tender and the gravy has thickened to your liking. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. This incredible Desi chicken dish is now ready to be enjoyed, serving 4 to 6 people, generously with rice or naan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.